Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone. With heart. How much you miss her. And you deserve. And you.
Good morning and welcome to a very chilly and cold and miserable England. Today it's going to be a pretty good day, I think. So the main thing we're going to do today is put coilovers on my mate's MX5. So we're going to slam it whether he likes it or not. But before that, we're going to go and clean my car because it's in desperate need of it. It's the middle of winter, my commute is muddy and miserable, so yeah, desperately needs a clean. So yeah, let's do this.
And you deserve. And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. Missing someone. I am sad and so low. I am sad and so low.
Yeah, you got the option to go up.
Alright, the man, the myth, the legend is here, and we are...
Your dad. Can you ask your dad for an industrial wrench?
Yeah, how big does it need to go? 21?
21.
I don't know if we got 121. But I can have a look.
We need one.
It's going well.
I need your phone to Google what's the next. Oh, water.
So it's a lot later than I would like. They were about to lose the light, and it's going okay. I mean, it was the front's together, as you can probably see. You know, the droops. Well, we haven't set the ride heights yet, because we, as I just said, like to make things more difficult for ourselves. But more or less, it's together and complete. We had a little bit of I had a little bit of a minor scene with one of the bolts dropped it, don't know where it went, had to go to Screwfix and get a new one. Nah, we're all good. So yeah, now we're on the rear. It's really cold.
The guy on YouTube does it in 10 minutes. That's the challenge.
Nah, he must cut and shut the whole thing, the video. So yeah, now we're about to start on the rear. Connor's done all the top bolts wherever they are at the back, and oh, we're really zoomed in. I think no, we're not, which is really out of focus. I like how he brought a light, you know, because we're going to be working into the night.
I don't trust myself.
So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to knock out the rear fairly quickly, and it won't be a scene. I made this out to be a lot worse than it is. We're just taking our time, being idiots, and what's it so in my face? Let's put the hood down. I don't know why it zoomed in. Oh, it has been one of those days. Oh. There we go. It's better. It's going slowly. Hopefully, like I said, we'll be done with the rear relatively quickly, and we'll be laughing, but we'll see. So it's not actually as late as it looks. It's just got dark incredibly quickly tonight. But yeah, we're done pretty much. So Connor's just putting on the boot liner back in. We've successfully, not that you can actually see anything because it is ridiculously dark. Right.
My back. Turn old.
He's only 23, yeah, same as me. Where's the light? There's the light. I'll show you what we've done. So, that's it, they're all in. Bad boys are in, so yeah. It is quite simple on the rear. I say it's simple on the rear, it's also quite simple on the front, we just made it look difficult. But on the rear it actually is a lot easier. So yeah, happy days. You haven't set the lowering heights yet, have you? So, but yeah, they're in. You need some wheel spaces, man.
Got new wheels.
You have got new wheels, that's a very good point.
They were meant to go on this afternoon with this 608. We done?
I think so, mate. I think so. I mean, it isn't that much of a mess. I think he's had a good day. I think. So we are at the end of it, finally, eventually. Only took like a whole afternoon. But yeah, it's sitting low. But how much do you want to go lower?
Yeah.
Obviously. There's still enough of an arch gap where you can fit your shoe in it, more or less.
To wait until my new wheels are on to set up.
Might be a shout, to be fair, might it? But yeah, looking racy. Nice job, Connor.
You did most of it, mate.
Teamwork, mate, teamwork.
Missing someone, but without